Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2000 Pleasureway XL TD Class B gas motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then show you the outside. Overall exterior length is 19 feet 7 inches. Overall exterior height to the air conditioner is 8 feet 8 inches. And this is a wide body design. And it's pretty much fully loaded. Give you an idea of this floor plan here. Does have a full bath, full kitchen. The rear is your boot dinette, and it also makes in 2 doubles beds, and it also breaks down into a king if you want that option. You do have it. There's a table that's stowed away, but the table goes in here and becomes a boot dinette for eating. And this breaks down and you have cushions that lay out, and this makes into, Pleasureway is calling it a king bed. So you could definitely sleep 2 grown adults, even 3 people. Is equipped with it's the Coleman air conditioning unit on this. I believe it's probably going to be at least 7,100 BTU AC unit. It might be an 11,000 BTU AC unit, which is overkill, but anyway. Sit down here, kind of show off the fabrics. Overall condition, if a dealer was going to take this in on trade, 1 through 10, 10 being the best, they would definitely, I think, rate it a 9. Normal wear and tear. Everything on the coach works as far as the owners know. There's storage there. There's your ducting for your furnace. This has a 16,000 BTU furnace. Nice TV there, flat screen, which is a nice upgrade from the factory in 2000. Coffee pot. More storage up there. All your cabinets are in excellent condition. They're like a wrap, so you can clean them in case you have greasy fingers or something. Here's your reader lights or accent lighting. All your curtains are in excellent condition. Another reader light. More storage. Kind of show off those fabrics. This is all cloth. There's a little stain up on the pilot seat that I will show you, but other than that, all the fabrics are in excellent condition. This is the only other cosmetic, which is a non-issue, just like a little staining, maybe from a area rug or something. And actually they just had an area rug in here to cover it up, but there's no damage. It's just cosmetic. It's probably from an area rug. Your carpet, it's all original. Definitely say normal wear and tear. Still plush, no non-smoker, no pets. Nice closet. Speed up this video. As I said, you had a full kitchen. It's going to be a 3 cubic foot 3-way refrigerator. Runs off gas, electric, and your battery. 2 burner gas cooktop. Lots of counter space for a 19, almost 20 foot van. Sink with cover. It's a stainless steel backsplash in the oven area, or stovetop area. There's storage. Your hardware is going to be a gold finish. And some of your handles are, I guess, were replaced. All your cabinets are in excellent condition. 110 outlet right there. There's one in the rear. Show off the bathroom here. Spin around here. And it's a full bath. You don't have to bring it out into the hallway like some of your Class B vans. Sit down on the toilet right there. Take a shower. Shower spigot hooks up to the sink. Pretty neat concept. You even have a medicine cabinet. As far as I can tell, there's no water damage on this coach. This is excellent condition. Definitely for a 2000. Do want to point out the fantastic vent fan. You do have a, let's see if I can get the lighting, soft touch vinyl ceiling, easy to clean. Speed up this video a little bit. Nice closet here, storage. Does have a microwave. Some of the window tinting here, it's just peeling. It's a non-issue. You could actually re-tint it, probably for under $100. Okay, your generators. This does have, I believe it's going to be a 2800 Onan generator, and it has currently 3,150 hours on it. And I've had it running. It's kind of loud for the video, but there we go. Starts right up. It's been recently serviced. I know the technician that did it, and he's a great technician. Go ahead and stop that. It's going to be your monitor panel for your batteries. Your chassis battery is brand new on this coach. It's only a couple weeks old. Your freshwater tank, I believe it's going to be, I think a 25-gallon freshwater tank on this coach. Your black tank is going to be, I believe, a 12-gallon. Your black tank is your toilet, and your gray, which is your sink and your shower, I believe that's going to be 15. I probably have those wrong. This is going to be your water pump switch right there. It's your water heater, 6-gallon direct spark ignition water heater. Flip a switch on, 15 minutes later, you're ready to go. Here's your carbon monoxide detector for safety. Okay. Kind of back up here. Oh, fire extinguisher right there. There's your fuse boxes right there in case you trip a breaker. Kind of show off that layout here. It's a beautiful camper. Okay, well, I'm inside. I'll go ahead and show you the cockpit. Pilot seat. This coach does have a new starter on it, and from what the owner told me, which is the original owner, tow truck guy did that with his greasy fingers. So if you have a magic solution to get that out, then pretty much this coach is pristine as far as fabrics. This is sitting on the Dodge Magnum 5.9 liter 245 horsepower gasoline engine. Start this up. There's no check engine light or anything like that. And the mileage currently, show that, zoom in there, 94,698 miles currently sitting on this coach. And then again, this is a one owner coach. Dash AC runs cold. Show off that dash. Show off the fabrics on the pilot and co-pilot seat. Definitely for a 2000. This coach is beautiful. It's been stored inside when not in use. Go ahead and turn this off. It does have cruise control, by the way. Show it off. There we go. Does have an 11-foot awning. It's manual. Manual awning comes out, and there's two arms that go into the ground. It takes a couple minutes to set up. Show off the fabrics there. Nice running boards. Back up here so I can show you the outside. Fiberglass roof. The tires were replaced in 2013. The tires have about 9,000 miles on them, and they are Michelin's. They're in excellent condition. There's your Excel TD badge there. steel wheel simulators. It's going to be your 6-gallon direct spark ignition water heater right there. This is going to be your freshwater potable fill. I'm not really sure what the freshwater holding tank is on this. 110 outlets for plugging in odds and ends. I believe that's going to be your service panel for your 3 cubic foot 3-way refrigerator. Nice light. Here's your AC. Again, I'm not sure what size it is. It's going to be at least a 7,100 BTU AC unit. Yeah, show off those decals there, kind of zoom in. Definitely for 2000, you can tell it's been stored inside. Has a 3,000 pound towing receiver on this, spare tire with cover. This is sitting on the Ram 3500 chassis. Open this up, kind of show off that door there. The fabrics. There's your tables. There is a table that goes, the round one here, I believe goes up in between the pilot and co-pilot seat. Kind of show this off, little buttons here. You can open that up, kind of show that off here. I'm doing this one-handed. Again, that cabinet breaks down on the floor, and this makes into a nice size, king-size bed. Okay, back up here. Show off the back end. Beautiful camper. There's your furnace exhaust, 16,000 BTU furnace. Let's go ahead and show you your hookups. LP tank, not sure what size that is. There's your hookups, there's your sewer hose. Compartment there, and cable, hookup, and your 30 amp service on this camper. There's your 30 amp plug-in. You have a marine style cord stowed away somewhere on this coach. There's your city hookup there for fresh water. There's your dump valves right there, or gate valves. Outside shower, hot and cold running water. Kind of show out those decals on the back side here for you. There's your fuel fill. I believe a 35 gallon fuel cell on this coach. And there's your storage right here. Storage compartment. Yeah, go ahead and show you normal wear and tear. A little bit of, looks like just a little bit of rust. Not an issue. I do point out everything. Sometimes I say if I didn't even point it out, you probably wouldn't notice it. Yeah, let's go ahead and show you driver's side door there. Power heated mirrors, power door locks, power windows, and yeah, see, it's from a tow truck guy. So anyway, other than that, really, this is a beautiful camper van, Class B. Back up, show you the back front side here. Show off that front. There you go. Nice van. Well, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.